If you're wondering whether Agionic AI is worth your time or just another flashy tool, stick around because I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. This could be one of the smartest tools you use this year. You can try Agionic AI completely free from the first link below. And trust me, you'll want to after seeing what it can do. But don't skip ahead. There's one feature near the end that changes everything for marketers and business owners. Agionic AI just launched, and it's already competing with tools like Jasper, Copied AI, and even some workflow automation platforms. What makes it different? It's not just a content writer. It's an AI-powered business engine that helps with lead gen, outreach, sales copy, customer support, and even AI agents that can execute tasks for you. That's right. Agionic isn't just helping you write, it's helping you do. Here's where things get wild. Agionic AI uses agents, small task-focused AIs, that can be chained together to handle real-world workflows. So instead of giving it one prompt and getting one response, you're creating mini digital employees that can research leads, craft emails, and even send them. That kind of automation used to cost thousands in Zapier chains or dev time. Now it's a few clicks. Another key thing, Agionic integrates directly into tools marketers already use. Think Notion, Google Sheets, Slack, CRMs. It's not trying to be a separate ecosystem like ChatGPT. It's embedding AI into your existing processes. That makes it a huge time saver, especially for teams and agencies. Now, I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and here's where most of them fall flat. No personalization. But Agionic AI lets you train its agents on your brand voice, documents, offers, and even your unique tone. It's not generic. The outputs feel like you wrote them, or better. Here's something underrated but massive. It's no-code friendly. You don't need to be technical. You can build a lead follow-up agent, a blog writing agent, or a customer support chatbot just by stacking a few dropdowns. It's like building automations on autopilot. This opens the door for non-tech savvy business owners to finally use AI the way the top 1% do. One warning though, it's powerful, but if you just treat it like another ChatGPT, you're missing the point. The real value comes from setting up multi-step workflows. That's where Agionic starts replacing team members, not just assisting them. Now here's the kicker, and you'll want to stick around to try this. Agionic's roadmap includes marketplace templates, meaning soon you'll be able to clone full AI systems built by experts, tweak them for your niche, and run with it. That's a game changer if you want results fast without learning everything yourself. So again, Agionic AI is free to try using the first link in the description. If you're serious about using AI for your business, not just playing with prompts, this is worth your attention. And if you're still exploring, I've listed my top recommended AI tools below that you can try for free. Handpicked after testing thousands of platforms across marketing, automation, content, and sales. Try them. Let the tools do the work. You focus on scaling.